Guys, do you have passion for snapping pictures, snapping photos, or making videos? You can snap anything. You can snap any object. You can snap nature. You can snap anything snappable. In this website, you use it to make money. Do the things you do for fun and make money. Snap pictures. Any environment unique, something strange, snap it and send to it and start making money. This website will pay you 0.20 euros. And this website is globally, wherever you are in the world, in the Africa, in the South Africa, West Africa, in Nigeria, in Ghana, in any country you are in the world, this website will pay you for uploading pictures and videos of anything you can think of. Okay? If today is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Angela. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Just smash on this subscribe button. Subscribe. Put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you, because I upload videos on weekly basis about making money online. This channel is all about tips on how to make money online. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's dive right into it. Let me show you how you can start making money from this website. Okay, so the name Shutterstock
of this website.
Just go to your browser, or I will put the link below this video. Go to your browser and I will put the link below this video. Go to your browser, or I will put the link below this video. If you want to go to your browser, Shutterstock. Go to your browser and type in shutterstock.com. Okay, this website is a community, is a website where you will share your work, you will share pictures, you snap nature, you snap anything you want, you like, anything that interests you. You see something unique, something beautiful, something ugly, snap it and send. That thing you feel is nonsense, someone is looking for it. In this website, people come there to upload, to download videos and pictures. Once they download something you have uploaded, this website automatically pay you. Meaning this is a side hustle. Even when you are not there, you will be making money. You can wake up and see good money in your account. All you do is cash out. Alright, this is something you can do that will keep on generating money. That someone downloaded your picture today does not remove the picture in the website. The picture is there. Thousands and millions of people can keep on downloading the same picture. And what you do in this website is use your brain. Now, know the season you are in. Now, Christmas is fast approaching. You upload things related to Christmas based on the season, based on what you think people can be searching for. You can also go to Google. If you see news that interests you, you can make picture towards that and upload in this website. You will see people will be downloading the picture and the website will pay you automatically. Okay, let me walk you through on how you can sign up in this website and start making money. There are 3 things you have to do in this website before you start earning money. Create a high quality picture or video. Okay, create a high quality picture or image or video. All right, and upload your content to this website and you get paid. As easy as that. This website works worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can make this and then refer people. Introduce this website to other people. You earn more and more money. Let me show you how you can sign up to this website and start making millions and millions of money. So this is how Shutterstock. This is how Shutterstock looks like. It says share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. If you want to sign up, just click on get started. Let me walk you through so that you will see other things that are here. It said become a contributor, produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download. Get paid, make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. Click on any of them and watch what is in the page. It says global marketplace, meaning anyone from any part of the world can watch here. If you're in Africa, you are in Nigeria, please join. You can here, okay? Just submit your pictures, even nature pictures. You can snap anything, you can snap animals, you can snap whatever you can think of and upload it here and make your money. Okay, global is a global marketplace. Shutterstock gives millions of customers access to your work. See your content around the world, even on than 1 billion paid out. They have paid people more than $1 billion doing this, just creating pictures or videos over the last 15 years, meaning this website was not created today. It has been an old website that have lasted more than 15 years is an old website. It says we have paid out $1 billion to our worldwide community of contributors. So they are encouraging you to join now. Upload your content with our easy to use platform and get tips for success. Refer, earn even more by referring new contributors and customers. Okay, join our global community, showcase your work and grow your skill by joining our international community. We offer tools, tips and support to help artists around the world earn even more. See global earnings. Okay, so many people have been earning good money from this website. Look at the kind of picture they are making here. It's not something you cannot do. Anyone can do all these pictures. There is nothing much about it. Okay, they are showing you examples of the kind of picture that people are doing, and they are getting paid for doing that. Okay, he said easy to use tool. Quickly upload and submit your content. Create and share your personalized portfolio page and easy track your earning with our smart tool. All right, view our resources, video workshop, learn from our experts. You can view their videos and watch what other people has done. You can copy from them and get your own idea and combine it, and you make something beautiful. And more through our other contributors platform. Look at other contributors platform. If you create an account with them to submit pictures, you are a contributor. So they are asking you to look at other contributors billboard, even on billboard or in movies. Did you see the opportunity you can get? Get the contributors app, upload and submit image straight from your mobile device and track your activities and earning, all while on the go. Okay, you track everything you are doing. Start earning today. Contribute to Shelter Shock and make money doing what you love. Join them, sign up and upload any picture of your choice, and you will start making money. They pay on weekly basis. Okay, start making money. Showcase your talent, showcase what you got, and start making money.